Hey guys, welcome to the Think Inside the Box project. This project is going to level you up in your abilities to use Autodesk Inventor. And I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what that means before you get into it. Autodesk Inventor is a huge program. It costs just short of $10,000 to buy one copy of it. And yes, we get an educational discount. And it's different than anything else you've ever used. It's a computer-aided design program. It's not an internet browser. It's not a word processor. It's not a video game. It's different. So it might feel really different for you guys. If you're used to writing papers, then using a piece of software that's designed to help you write papers, like a Word document, word processor, is going to feel familiar to you. If you've never engineered a three-dimensional object to solve a task, to do something useful, this software is going to seem really weird. The reason I'm telling you that isn't to scare you, but I want you to take things very, very slowly. Each click is very, very important in this software. You may not know what you do every time you click, so don't click unless you know exactly why you're doing it. Which means you need to take things very, 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 very slow when you start. I have video tutorials that will show you click for click what you need to do when you get started. If things don't work out the way they do on the video, you probably made a mistake. Watch that section of the video again, see what you may have done wrong, and then start over. If you really don't want to start over that file, I understand. Come talk to me. I will help you. The reason I made these videos is to make things easier on you. You can pause the video as you're watching it. So I would watch a little bit, pause it, do the thing, watch a little bit, pause it, do the thing, follow along like that. If you get stuck, because I'm not standing in front of the classroom teaching everybody, I'll be around in the classroom to help you guys when you need it. So just call out my name, raise your hand, come get help. Here's why we're using an Inventor. What you guys are going to do is design a very, very simple box. At first, you're not going to design this box. I've already designed it. You're going to follow the steps to make it an Inventor. That's because I want you to learn how to do this before you start creating your own parts. So this is a basic box. Once you learn how to do that, then you're going to be tasked with solving some sort of problem in your life by using a basic box. So this is the same components, right? Plywood tops, plywood sides, these pieces of wood that are called blocking that help hold it all together so it's really strong. Plywood sides, blocking. It's just a different configuration. When we build this in Inventor, you need to learn some new vocabulary. This is an assembly. It's different pieces that were put together to make it one product. This is an assembly too. It's got the body, it's got the cap, it's got this end cap, it has this piece of foam, and then there's a big piece of foam inside holding all the ink. That's an assembly. Now, a single piece of an assembly is called a part. And that's where we're going to spend most of our time in Inventor this year, is learning how to make parts. All the little bits of geometry there that make this part different than, say, an ice cream cone is pretty hard. So we're going to teach you guys how to work on that geometry this year. Here's where it gets confusing. This box only has two parts. Yeah, I know. This side, this side, this side, and this side are all the same. So we don't need it to design them separately. We only design one, and we tell Inventor, hey, there's 5 of them in this box, okay? This blocking is also the same as the other 4 pieces of blocking. So we only have to design them once. So there's just the box side and the box's blocking are all the parts. Some of you are looking at the screws. Ignore the screws for now. Okay, so check out the next video. I'm going to show you how to use Inventor to make parts and make assemblies. See you guys there.